In any CA software, we always have a question: which type of elements can be used while performing analysis? It mainly depends on the geometry of the component and the time accuracy we are looking for. In real life, there are no 1D and 2D components, but we do use them because the results are faster than 3D components. One dimension elements. We use one dimension when we are not interested in the results of other two dimensions. Element shape is line element, and the element type is beam, pipe, rod or bar. These all components can also be solved by using 2D and 3D, but the results are negligible as compared to the main dimension. We use 2D elements when we are not interested in the results of third dimension area element, and it consists of tria and quad elements. Element shape. As in the flowchart, we can see there are linear and parabolic type of elements in 2D. Linear contains 3 nodes and parabolic contains 6 nodes for tria element, and for quad element, linear contains 4 nodes and parabolic contains 8 nodes. As we know that nodes are the locations where the results are calculated, parabolic elements will give more accurate results than linear elements. In ANSYS version less than 2016, linear represents as dropped and parabolic represents as kept. In versions above 2016, they are called as linear and quadratic. Moving on to 3D elements. We use 3D elements when we are interested in results of all three dimensions. The element type is a solid. The element shapes are tetra elements, penta or wedge elements, hexa elements, and pyramid elements. Same as in 2D, we also have linear and parabolic in 3D elements. We generally use tetra and hexa elements for most of the geometries.